Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello, what's up guys? Meet me again in new CNC channel. Okay, in the last tutorial about Visual Basic Programming, I have shown you how we can import Excel file in our visualbasic.net. Okay, you can see. Now, after we make importer like this, now the next question is how we can import in our data to MySQL directly after we are import like this. After we import like this, for example, now there is a button save that we can click to import to our MySQL database. How to do that? Okay, first let's create a database. Okay, let's call the database is database import like this. Now I will create database import because in our application or our Excel have 1 2 3 4 5 field. Now let's create one table with column 5 like this. I'm sorry, not one, but you can change the table name. I'm sorry guys, no, uh, table import with 5 field or column here. Let's create for one. Let's open our Excel again. Number, okay. Web in here, channel, Facebook, and description. Channel, Facebook, description, like this. I want to using all of this is varchar guys. For example, let's make this okay. For fast I will just create dummy like this, but you can suitable with you. Let's click save. Is MySQL, okay. I'm sorry, description, because this in MySQL is mean the scanning, okay, for sorting guys. Let's click save. Okay, now I have one database called database import, and the table is table import with 5 field in here. Now we can make this data save with one click and save in our MySQL database. Okay, how to do that? Just open our Visual Studio again. I want to add one button. Okay, import data. Okay, after we import from Excel, then we can import data here. Let's change the button name for import data button like this. Okay, I double click. You can download this previous code from my site www.news.co.id. In here we have to create a connection guys. Okay, sorry, I will create in above this. As new MySQL connection. because we don't import in here. Let's import MySQL. Okay, if like this, you can choose in here and click add reference. So MySQL not in here but in assembly. MySQL data, you can see. Be careful guys, because we need just MySQL data for Windows Phone, not for web. Okay. Now we can import MySQL in here. MySQL like this. Okay, as new MySQL connection. Okay, data source. Because we are using localhost, just type like this. And for username is equal to root, because I have no password in here. Let's say the password is blank. And the database name, don't forget, is like our database name. Let's say database import. Okay, here is database import. Now this is our connection. Let's try to code for dim command or cmds MySQL command connection. Connection. The open like this for y for is integer in here is equal to the grid view 1 for cmd is equal to new MySQL command. Okay, this is my SQL statement guys. Insert into tb underscore import. You can see this is our table import name in here. Insert into tb import. Values in here is add number web channel. Okay, add number, and then add web add channel, and Facebook and description. Okay, this is my SQL statement. Let to adding this guys. Connection in here. GMD doc for parameters in here. For our parameter in here, add number is equal to MySQL data, not data type but db type. because we are using data type for varchar. Let's make this for varchar, and then equal to value is tgv1 dot rows. Okay, dot rows, this is for row I, dot cells 0, and then dot value dot to string. Okay, like this. Don't forget to add this. For fast, let's copy our parameter here to create for another parameter just suitable with this. This is for web, this is for channel, this is for Facebook, this is for description, description, and for 1, 2, 3 for index, guys. 4. Okay, now let's execute this parameter. cmd dot execute non-query in here. Okay, don't forget to close the connection. Okay, basics box that successfully imported, like this. Now in here I want to make a few tgv1. Okay, because there is nothing in here, let's just create tgv1, or you can try to create like this, but I don't want to using private sub. You can just using sub view tgv1 like this. Now this is will not error again. Okay, for tgv1 in here dot connection. Okay, my connection, let's get this dim for mycmd as new MySQL command in here. For mycmd dot let's make connection dot open in here. Okay, not connection, just type C with connection like this. Connection dot open. Okay, now for mycmd in here, the comment text is equal to select number web, and then channel for Facebook, and then description from tb, not tb, I mean table import. I'm sorry guys, in here is also false. Table import, table import. Okay, the adapter, let's try the adapter as new MySQL data adapter like this. the adapter equal to new MySQL data adapter using my GMT like this. Okay, now the table, let's declare again for the table as new data table. The table is rows clear. The adapter fill the table in here, and for dqview1 the data source is equal to the table. Not DTA guys, but the table. Okay, connection dot close. Okay, let's try to running our application. This is our database guys. Table import is 0, nothing data in here, you can see. Okay, now let's try to import Excel. Import data successfully imported. You can see showing 0 till 20 here. Okay, you can see if I del again, let's delete again guys from here. Okay, I will show you again. Let's delete. Okay, okay, nothing data again. Let's close our application and then try to adding the last number 22 for example. Your name, your channel, your Facebook, and your description. Let's click save in here, then let's running our application. Okay, let's see guys, I will reload. Okay, nothing data in here. Let's import for our Excel import data. Okay, data successfully imported. Let's browse again. Okay, you can see here. Okay, that's all tutorial how to import data from Excel to MySQL using visualbasic.net. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get any updates from. Bye bye.